Have you ever wondered why things get smaller the further they are? Looking at this car as an example, the car definitely looks bigger here in comparison to there, when it's further away. I mean, we know for a fact that the car didn't actually get smaller. So here they're both probably around 1.4 meters tall. So why does this car appear smaller? It all has to do with our eyes. I mean, our eyes tell us how the world is around us. Let's figure this out with simple physics. This is our eye pupil and this is a random object. So if you recall how we can see objects from physics, you'll know that a light source will produce light on the object, which will then be reflected into a specific part of our eye, as you can see for this corner here. But for now, let's ignore the light source. The same happens to the other corner. And by the way, the only light rays we need are the top and bottom corners, because these are the ones that tell us the size of the object. Let's try moving this object further and closer to the eye. But this time, let's pay attention to this angle, which we will call alpha. Now it's further away, and now it comes closer. If we compare these two angles, we can definitely tell that the angle was bigger when the object was closer to the eye, and the angle was smaller when the object was further away. Just this alone can be a bit hard to visualize, so to make it easier, let's put the object when it's near and when it's far together, like this. And let's take a look at this place right here, where the arrow's pointing. If we cut everything after this point out and compare the red and blue part, we can now pretty well see that the red part is bigger. But that obviously does not make any sense because the size of the objects are exactly the same, so it has to do with the distance. And that's all I have for today. I thank you all for joining me on this short journey. If you have enjoyed, like the video and subscribe.